cuando estoy contigo. I still don't know how to let go of the feelings that I felt for you. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm going to teach you how to play Shy by Boywithuke. This is a tutorial requested a lot by you guys, so we're going to go ahead and try to do it. But yeah, it's pretty easy, so just a couple of interesting bar chords and stuff like that, but let's get to the chords and learn how to play it. I also want to thank you guys for all the likes, comments, and all the subscribers that we keep getting. We're almost to our first goal, 1,000, so let's keep going and keep growing, and I'll keep making these tutorials, and I think I'm going to start making some more like ukulele tips and tricks and stuff too, but yeah, you guys are awesome. So let's go learn how to play this song. All right, so we are zoomed in up close, and there are 5 different chords for this song. We're gonna go through them, and I'll tell you why there's 5 instead of 4. It's just a quick little thing that he does, but it's not too hard, so let's just do this. The chord charts will be right here if you guys like those. So the first chord is an A, which is your middle finger on the top string 2nd fret, your pointer finger on the 2nd string 1st fret. A. The next chord is a G sharp. So what you want to do is bar this 3rd fret, then put your middle finger on the 3rd string 1st fret, and then your ring finger on the top string 2nd fret. That is G sharp. And then the next chord after that is C sharp minor. So just slide 1 more fret down and bar that 4th one, and then put your ring finger on the top string 2nd fret. That's C sharp minor. Then the next chord after that is E major 7. So keep the bar right there, and then you put your finger down here, same fret, 2nd fret after the bar, but the last string. And then the chord after that is an E, which you could play like this bar, which is the 2nd fret barred, and then these top 3 strings, or you can play it this other way that I don't really like because it makes my fingers feel weird, but it's basically your pointer finger, top string 1st fret, your middle finger, bottom string 2nd fret, and then your pinky on the 2nd string 4th fret. But they're literally the same chord, so they sound the same. So whatever one you prefer to play. Now, let's get to the strumming pattern, and I'll tell you why he has 2 different E chords instead of just playing the 4 chords like he usually does. Okay, so there's 2 strumming patterns. One is just that claw pull thing that he likes to do. What I do is I just put my thumb on the top string and then 1 finger on each string after that, and then I can just pull all of them like this. Just like a claw. But basically for like the beginning part where he, basically the verses, he does this twice on each of the chords, except for when you get to the E major 7 and the E. So this is why there's 5 chords instead of 4. So A, you do it twice, G sharp, you do it twice, C sharp minor, you do it twice, and then E major 7 once, and then E once. And that's what that sounds like when you do all those together. And then the next strumming pattern is the one that is usually the go-to that we do on this channel and a lot of the Boywithuke songs, which is the down, down, up, up, down, up. And just like with the little plucking pattern that he does, you go through it 1 time on each, but then the E you do half, half. So it'll be like this. The A is down, down, up, down, up. G sharp is the down, down, up, down, up. C sharp minor, down, down, up, down, up. And then the E major is just down, down, up, E, down, down, up. So all together, it'll sound like this. And those are the strumming patterns for it. So let's go ahead and try to sing this song, guys. A shy fellow, yo no recuerdo palabras cuando estoy contigo. I still don't know how to let go of the feelings I felt for you. And my anxiety's pushing limits, setting benchmarks higher than the freaking moon. Sorry, I don't mean to be rude. I've been fighting feelings cause I know that I'm too shy to make a move. Looking up tutorials on YouTube. Stay inside, I'll be home by the morning. Run, don't hide, and stay asleep in your bed because it's pouring. And mine are fine to be my decline, I'm fine. Don't ask me how I spend my free time. Oh, don't ask me, no, don't ask me. Hi, hello, I'm quite a shy fellow. Yo no recuerdo palabras cuando estoy contigo. Plivo, cabo, migo, big bag, bigo. Wow. Well, I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Shy by Boywithuke. This one's actually pretty fun. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Let me know what you guys want me to do down below. I'll do any songs you guys want. I'll try to do my best. And also, if you guys want any tips and tricks or want to know how to play the ukulele, just let me know down in the comment section and I'll do my best to, you know, satisfy the audience. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. A creature with two heads, sleeping in two beds. Is it sweet or is it dead?